Yeah, until I put my jacket on, please. I'll help you. So when I put the jacket on too. Devil's playground up in this bitch. Hope we get some sleep tonight. Yeah, hope we get some sleep tonight, Jay. Man, this 2.5 hours is fun. Ooh. Yeah. I gotta fix my shoe in a bit. You guys got the fronts, JJ? Shit fell. One. Call me, Kyle?
Yeah.
Want me to step on the brakes?
He's on. Never mind. Let me throw these on first.
Okay. I'll step on the brake for you. Oh man, that's not good. Our fucking generator, it seems like it's taking them off shit. Probably because of the rain yesterday. Probably soaked it well enough. like our generator took a shit though.
Won't turn on?
Yeah, they trying to kick it on.
Really?
Yeah, I don't want to turn on, so we might just run one cable from the truck if they can fix it, and then we just use the tire warmers.
The truck itself has power, right?
Yeah, but I think we can only run one. Come on. Come on. Oh. Well, it's trying now at least.
Oh, it's right there. It's burning up all the fuel and oil that's stuck in there.
It's too rich or too fouled up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, seems like they said it flooded.
Just need a good momentum.
Yeah.
Feed oxygen in.
Might work.
Might work.
There's a lot less dense up here. So.
Yeah, okay. Might adjust the air fuel ratio better.
Yeah, yo. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Rob. Good shit, man. Yeah.
You know your driver's meeting's at 4:45.
445. Got it. All good in the hood. Okay. Middle one here. Okay. Yes, sir. Just want to make sure it's on. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Okay.
Hop in the car when you can.
Okay. All right, you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, Cal. I'm on it. Yeah, yo. Alright, so we're gonna torque up the wheels, and then I'm gonna put the tire covers on, and probably blankets too. Seven 105. Cool.